Hey y'all, I am so excited because today I have a special guest. This is Miss Karen Ray. She is with Farmers Insurance. Karen, thank you for being with us today.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Thank you for having me.
You know what? Thank you. I want to talk about insurance today because agents and buyers need to be aware of some important information. Number one, I'd like to say, hey, the market is crazy. We know that.
Yes.
But homes are being bought and sold constantly.
Yep.
So one thing that some buyers encounter is a lot of times the insurance quote is higher than the lender has estimated. So in situations like that, give us some insight. What should we be doing immediately as we're thinking about a home purchase?
Okay, as you find the home, the customer thinks, I want this.
Yeah.
Then immediately give us a call. We can run a mock quote. It won't do anything to the client's credit whatsoever.
Nothing to your credit.
Nope.
Okay.
And we can take a look at it, tell you approximately what the price is going to be.
Good.
Now, do keep in mind that prices vary based upon individuals. So the house has a credit score, not a credit score, I'm sorry, an insurance score.
The house itself.
The house itself, the property itself, based upon how many claims have happened on that property.
Of course.
And of what type. Are they weather related or is it just faulty plumbing? You know, what is happening with this house? So that house is going to have its own insurance score. And then a person, the buyer, is going to have their own insurance score.
Two separate things.
Two separate things. And then put together along with their credit score is going to determine the price of the insurance.
But knowing that in advance, before you get all the way to closing, is essential to make sure their debt to income ratio is in line, correct?
Yes, before you even put it on contract, give us a call. We can give you a really close estimate of what it's going to cost.
Good. Now, a lot of times during our option period, we have inspections done. And things come up and you're like, I didn't know this about the house. I know you have a special report that maybe we can get pulled. So can you tell us what the clue report is a little bit?
Yes, absolutely. The clue report is an aggregate of all the claims that have ever happened on a piece of property. So when we are running that quote, then we have a report that tells us this claim happened on this date and this is how much they were paid for it. So if, let's say there was a hail claim and I know that $21,000 was paid for that claim, they should have gotten a new roof.
Absolutely. So if there's no new roof on that house,
I can tell you that should have gotten one. They were paid for one. They chose to keep the money and not get a new roof.
Ouch. So that information is imperative to know about a house that you're interested in, especially, of course, if it's pre-owned, right?
Yes.
Now, if in fact we can get this report, do we get it as soon as we get in contract? Can we get it before?
You can get it before. That way you don't even put in a contract if this is a house with a lot of hazards.
So agents and buyers out here, Karen is saying call her. If you're interested in a home and you want to know the clue report about that home, she can pull it within what, 2 to 5 minutes?
Yes.
That quick?
That quick.
That quickly. Okay. Well, I love that because I think that's what we need to have in our arsenal as we are looking at homes. Because a lot of times you get through the option period and you're like, I didn't know this about the house. I didn't know the insurance was this high. I didn't know this about this house. But we can get in front of it.
Absolutely.
I love that. Okay, so tell us a little bit about some of the other products you have. We know you have home.
Yes, of course. We have home. We have auto. We can insure your RVs, mobile homes even. We can insure those manufactured homes. Beach houses, vacation homes, vacant homes that maybe you're remodeling because you flip houses. We can do that as well.
And life insurance too, correct?
That's my favorite.
Yes,
life insurance. And what I really like to see is people who buy a home, get what I call a mortgage protection, which really that is just a term life insurance. If you're getting a 30-year loan, let's get a 30-year term. If you're doing a 20-year loan, let's do a 20-year term. And what that'll do is protect one spouse or the other.
Of course.
If husband dies, the home can be paid off, the wife and the children can stay in the house, and that is one less thing they have to worry about.
Wow, so you can give a quote for that as well.
Absolutely,
So if I've gotten the auto and the home and maybe life, that's a bundle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what kind of discounts can I get for that?
You're getting a lot of discounts. So you're going to get approximately a 10% discount on your home, a 10% discount on your auto if you bundle those two, plus another 10% if you buy life insurance policies. So here's what I'm finding is life insurance ends up being free because you're saving so much on your home and auto. You're getting sometimes $1 million policy without an additional cost because your discounts are so deep.
I love that.
Yeah.
Now for agents, you had a great call with my agents this morning, so thank you again for that.
Thank you.
One of the things we as agents want to do is we always want to be in contact with our clients. So for the agents, not only are you going to participate in some training for them, teaching them more about insurance, but what kind of touch points can you do or help us do for over the years?
Okay, I have the perfect
Y'all,
program.
I love this. I love it.
Okay, so if you sell a home and that client insures the home with me,
absolutely, yeah,
then for the next 4 years, I will do 8 touch points a year. So a total of 32 touch points.
That's huge.
But it's on your behalf or on your
No. You mean jointly?
No, ma'am. It does not have my name on it. It's your name. It's these cards.
Okay.
So there's 8 cards a year.
Let's
year they'll
talk
do
about
another
some of
8. Okay, this is a thank you card.
Wow.
Thank you for, buying a home for me.
Okay.
Then I have a Thanksgiving card, and the reason we choose Thanksgiving is because other people don't get cards, so yours isn't going to get lost in the shuffle.
I love that.
Birthday card for husband and wife. One is just simply asking for a referral. Hey, don't forget me. Put my number in your phone.
No. You're paying for the postage. You're paying for everything on an agent like myself's behalf to our joint client saying, hey, thinking about you.
Thinking about you because
refer clients to me.
Yes, all of them ask for a referral. It's all on my dime because I hope that you'll come back and do it for your next client, client. But what studies show is that after 4 years, the client is ready to upgrade. They want a new house.
They do.
I forgot that realtor's name. What?
Tanika
Darnell?
Yeah.
So this way, they remember because 32 times.
You've touched them.
Yes. And then I know y'all are already doing stuff yourself, but this just really keeps you first and foremost in their minds when they're ready to do something again.
Y'all, this is important because the National Association of Realtors says that I think over 85% of the time, people don't call the agent back who they originally purchased with. And it's because they don't keep in contact with them. So I love this aspect. And I love it not just for my agents, but for the clients that we serve. Just letting them know that, hey, our business, you are important to us and we want to let you know how much we care about you.
Absolutely.
So guys, I hope you've had got some nuggets out of this. Karen, please let them know how they can get in contact with you.
Thank you. So first of all, I am right here in the parking lot.
Right next to your neighbor.
Yes. But my phone number is 817-693-0033, or my email is kray1@farmersagent.com.
Hey y'all, give Karen a shout. And of course, contact me. We'd love to help you and assist you with all your buying or selling needs or insurance needs. So thank you. I appreciate your time today.
It was wonderful. Thank you.
You bet.